Once again, drone. Uh, I will review this a little bit, and anyway, a little bit upgrade on my actually on the FAA card. I just read it again, and usually I put my certificate number under the battery, but I reread again, and let me see, on the website it showed that they want it outside of the drone, like a license plate, pretty much. You can write on a piece of paper, piece of tape on it. This aside. So I got the vinyl cutter, so I cut mine, and I decided it's the best place to put it. So I just got it done a minute ago, and now I'm gonna see how that's gonna look like. Yeah, this is not bad. So yeah, just on one arm of the wing, put the ID number on it. That's the requirement. So that's just a little bit upgrade on the FAA card information. If you like this video, click like and subscribe for my channel, so I can make more video.